காம்படிஷன் வெளியே போட்டு யார் இருப்பா. சரிண்ணா.
Social awareness and volunteer education is well known for non-profit organization based in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, working since 1994, bring positive social changes. The organization focus on education, women empowerment, child labor prevention, and community development. SAVE aims to create awareness among people about social issues such as child rights, gender equality, health, environment, and labor welfare. It helps poor and marginalized families by providing educational supports, vocational training, and counseling. The organization also runs campaigning to stop child labor in garment industries, promotes safe working conditions, and supports women's self-help groups to earn a living with dignity. Through its team, decided volunteers SAVE continues to spread awareness. These were the 3 mantras of Apollo Tyres. First was the one family, next following of our passion, next taking responsibility. First, one family. We create an exclusive culture that brings our people, partners, and community together. Next, following our passion. We champion ideas that inspire us to think big, be brave, and challenges the ordinary. Next, taking the responsibility. We are committed to build a responsible and sustainable business that benefits society. Here is the vision of Apollo Tyres: to become a significant player in the global tire industry, become a brand of choice, providing customer diligence and continuous enhancing stockholders' value, to be the almost the most admired company in India, committed to the excellence. Next was the mission of the Apollo Tyres. Be a customer abuse company. Customer first 24 into 7. Number 1 tire brand in India. Most profitable tire company in India. Motivated and committed team for excellence in performance. Be a green company in an economy. Next was the corporate strategy. The strategic factor that the company satisfy is the strength of having a wide range of products. They must be able to continue to maintain many product varieties and build on them efficiently using R&D to overcome the problem of pasteurization as well as satisfying growing global demand is not an easy task and hence require time and efficiency to meet the needs of globally. Apollo Tyres, Apollo Tyre Limited with corporate headquarters in Gurgaon, India is in the business of manufacturing and sales of tires since it is inspected in 1972. Over the year, the company has grown manifold, establishing its footprint across the global. This where the Apollo Tyres office were located. This was the Apollo Tyre history of stock. Initial period between November to December 2024, the stock saw a sharp rise reaching near its 1 year high. Early on, likely around 520 to 540 rupees. Early 2025, there was a significant decline with price dropping below 420 levels. Trading volume remained moderated, suggesting gradually selling pressure. Mid, the stock moved in sideways trends, fluctuation between 420 to 480 rupees. Occasional volume spikes indicate short-term buying or initial activities. Late 2025, a steady untrend resumed. A price climbed back 500, showing renewed investors' confidence and positive movements. Next, in technical view, support zone 410 to 430, resistance zone 430 to 540, current price around 520. Next was the volume analysis. Volume spikes around Feb, June and August 2025 suggest major institutional activities or news events. The recent rally has been accomplished by moderate to high volumes which confirm strength behind the uptrends. Overall summary, Apollo Tyre stocks over the past years. This was the Apollo Tyre today's stock performance. Daily price movements. Opens at rupees 522, high 523, low 515. The stock opened slightly positive but experienced a small downward correction during the morning session. Between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., there was gradual recovery, indicating buying support at lower levels. The price stability near 520 towards the close shows slightly but no strong selling pressure. Interpretation. This trend reflects a healthy consolidation phase. Investors are likely waiting for fresher triggers such as quarterly result, industry updates, or broader market clues before taking a new position. Technical analysis. Support levels 510 to 495. Next was the resistance level 540 to 555. Trend short term consolidation medium bulls. If the stock crosses 540 with the volume support, it may move towards 560 to 580 levels. However, a drop below 510 could trigger middle correction up to 595. Next was the fundamental insights. Revenue and profit growth. Apollo has delivered steady revenue growth over the past few quarters, driven by domestic and export demand. Margin have improved due to cost efficiency and stable raw material prices. Industry outlook. Automobile industry reveals and strong replacement market will likely support tire manufacturers. Focus on electric vehicles, tires and premium tire segments can add future growth. Export expands especially in Europe and America remains a key opportunity. Here is the overall conclusion. Apollo Tyres is currently in a strong position both technical and fundamentally.